hopefully this parcel is the Eonon GA2167 that I ordered. I ordered it on Monday and today's Wednesday and it's arrived. So I thought you might like to see what the packaging was like and what it's like inside and stuff. So without further ado, here we go. As you can see, it comes from Royal Mail. By the looks of it, it's come from a drop shipping place maybe somewhere, but it's come from the UK, even though I ordered it direct from Eonon. Seems relatively well packaged. As you can probably see, there's two parcels in here because I ordered the extra DVR, so that's probably the DVR, but we'll come back to that in a minute. Okay. It's certainly the right size for what I'm expecting. And by the looks of it, it's quite well packaged. And it's upside down. There we go, there we have it. Eonon. I presume that's how you say it. Let me know in the comments if you think it said otherwise. Let's go on a road trip. Right, so looks like a pouch of MRE food to me. Another pouch. This looks like the main thing. Box out of the way. It's a plastic tool. I'm assuming that's a trim tool to help you with running wires, etc. But maybe not. Oh wow, there's a protective film for the screen. Cool. Awesome. User manual. Android 7.1. Get rid of that over there. Gosh, it's a lot smaller than I was expecting. So at the moment I currently have a pumpkin 10-inch one in my car, and it's obviously quite large, but it is a double din unit like this. But this will fit much better. Wow, it's actually really nice. Gosh. The one I've got at the moment doesn't have a volume knob, which is really irritating because it is just so slow that when you want to turn the volume down, it doesn't respond at all. And you wait for ages, then suddenly it's turned down way too much. But yeah, overall quality is really, really nice. It's got a screen protector on. I won't peel it off just yet. I'll try and leave that on as long as possible, but it has got one on there in case anyone's wondering. Cool. So there it is. There's the head unit. Like I said before, we've got the trim tool there. I'm assuming that this is the yeah, it is. This is the DVR cam. I've already got a reverse parking camera on the car. I have got one of those DVRs that you sort of hang from the front window, but I wanted one that's actually going to be a bit more discreet inside the car, and one that can record onto an SD card via the head unit. Seems like a good idea to me, so there you go. I would imagine, I don't know for definite, but I would imagine you can probably plug in any USB camera, but we shall see. I shall give that a try. I'm going to do a full installation video and a review video at some point as well, so keep your eyes peeled to my channel if you're interested in that. Okay, so at this point, for some reason, the audio stopped recording this video, so from this point in the video onwards, the audio is going to be voiced over, unfortunately. This is one of the packets with wiring in, by the looks of it. This is the microphone. Yeah, this is the extension for the microphone. Then we have the main wiring harness. I think it's an ISO connector, so you can plug that into the back of the head unit, and then hopefully just plug that main big black plug into your car. Not sure what this green one's for. I'll have to find out what that is, or if you know, maybe let me know in the comments below. Some screws. What's this little card here then? Oh, it's just contact information. Let them know if you're happy or unhappy with the product. It's kind of cool. And this is the USB cable. I think that one plugs in the front. So we have another MRE type packaging. Man, that's a lot of wiring. The one I've got in the car at the moment came in the car. I've fitted plenty of head units before in my time, but this will be interesting. It'll be the first time I've done an Android head unit. So this is another USB cable, probably for a 3G dongle. Spare fuse. I think that's the GPS antenna. These look like all the audio's ins and outs. And then this one is the Wi-Fi extender, so it can get a better signal on Wi-Fi. I've actually got a MiFi adapter in my car at the moment. I was fed up trying different 3G dongles, getting them to work. I just wanted to be able to use the head unit and use the features of the head unit without having to tether it to the phone. So I gave up on these 3G USB dongles. So I tried a couple of them and they both didn't work, but then that might be down to the head unit I've got. Like I said before, it's a 10-inch pumpkin head unit and it's so slow, it's ridiculous, so I decided to plump for a better one. Plus the size of this is more suitable for the car as well. There's a 10-inch tablet, it's just too big. I was very apprehensive about buying this, but obviously we'll see how it goes. I did want to go for a pumpkin head unit, but they were quite a lot more money in comparison to this one. And I just thought, well, we'll give it a go. I don't know if I said before, this isn't a paid review or anything. This is bought for with my money, and you know, I thought I'd just do this, so other people can have a look, see what it's like. If you've got any questions, then please do put them in the comments, and I'll do my best to try and answer them. The head unit is a really nice looking head unit. See, it's a double din, so it probably looks quite enormous to a lot of people, but to me, in comparison to the thing that's in my car, this thing looks a lot more sensible size. Don't forget, I'm going to do a video of installation. I'm also going to do a video review of this probably a few weeks later to let you know how I'm getting on with it. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below. If you like this video, please click like, and if you'd like to, please consider subscribing. And thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.